2, 3.
So I'll be talking about period hacks every lady must know. Simple hacks that will help you during your period. I mean, when you get your menses, these are some simple steps that will help you. So the number one item I will talk about is to shave. Okay, shaving is very important when you get your period. The blood gets stained in the hairs and sometimes clog the pores, and it makes the place, you understand the place, right? It makes your palace smelly, and we don't want that. So always try to shave a week before your period. That is, if you don't want to shave the hairs up there, you can just shave the hairs around your vulva and all this under near your bottom. Yeah, you have to shave this place to avoid any bad smell. You can decide to leave the top. Yeah, you can just put any shape you want in the top, but inside, when you spread it like this, the side and the side, you have to shave it so that you don't get smelly. Yeah. The number two item I will talk about is intim wipes. Okay, vagina wipes. Vagina wipes are so important, and you don't need this when you have your period. I mean, you can use this every day, with or without period. Every day you need to get this in your bag so that anytime you pee, you just take one. Let me show you how it looks like. So you just take one like so, you know. Yeah, and then wipe after you pee, especially when you visit the public toilets in the schools, the churches. You need this after you pee. Just wipe everything, even after you visit the toilet. Okay, after using the toilet roll, you just use this to clean the rest of the mess. And I use the same brand of this intimate wipes, the feminine wash. Okay, I use the same feminine wash and intimate wipes from the same company, and this intimate wash is so good, and the people in Germany can find this in your local beauty stores, DM and Rossmann. Sometimes Douglas, no, not Douglas, Muller and what's the name of this shop? I forgot. Now link the name in the description box. You can find this like €2, almost €3, and this stuff is very good during your period. Or I use this every day. Okay, I use this every day, not only your period. I use this every day. Don't insert this inside, just wash around the vulva and your bottom. Just squat and then wash everywhere clean, and then use cold water to wash out this soap. And it has a pH balance of 4.3, and the name is CD. It's from CD company. They have brands of soaps, body wash and stuff. This company is very good. This product from this company is very, very good, and it's made from cranberry, milk zara, and cranberry. Everybody knows that cranberry is very, very good for the vagina. You can even buy the cranberry fruits and be eating it raw like that. It's very, very essential for the vagina's health. Okay, so invest in a vagina wash. Okay, invest in a vagina wash, because sometimes the vagina sweats. Oh yeah, it sweats. Imagine if your skin outside can sweat, how much a closed area like that. So just invest in a vagina wash, but please don't insert it. Just squat and wash the side like that. Okay, and it will give you a good Ta-da! Vagina. The next thing I will talk about is tampons. Okay, have you seen that this comes in different sizes? They have another smaller size. It's very smaller. It's smaller than this one. If you can see, this is bigger than this one. And this tampon works so good during your period, especially if you bleed a lot. Let me explain more. When you get your period and you put this normal pad, if you get your period and you put this normal pad in your panty, and for example, you are in class, you sit like 4 hours in class, and oh god, sometimes you have to check your dress to see if it's soiled, or you feel so uncomfortable, especially when the teacher talks too much and you can't even get up to go to the washroom, and you feel so uncomfortable. This is where the tampons come in. Okay, this, if you're a virgin, this is not going to break your virginity, but I recommend a small one if you are a virgin, and it works the same. So if you have your period, as I was saying, you need one of this. Okay, you need to insert. This is how, let me show you how it comes about. You need to twist it like this. Okay, don't start from here. You need to twist it like this. If you twist it like this, you will hear a crack sound. That means it's opened. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So if you are uncomfortable inserting this in your vagina, just apply some lube or a vagina cream so that it smoothens it and you can easily insert it in your vagina. When you insert, this is pad, but in this form. It's the same as this. Okay, so you insert this in your vagina, and then you put this in your panty. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So as this one gets soaked, you see that all this part will become blood. Then it starts to come here. And please try to leave this side in your panty. You just insert the white part in your Jerusalem. Then you leave this side in the panty. When it gets soaked, you see that all this white is full of blood, is soaked with blood, and it starts to come to this side. That shows that the tampon is full and you need to remove it. You need to remove it. You need to change this every 3 to 4 hours, just like this. So if you bleed a lot, insert this and put this in your normal panty as you always do. Okay, as you always do. When this one becomes full, you will see that it's transferring to this side. Then instead of getting into your dress, this one saves you. Okay, this one saves you. Another thing I'll talk about is panty liner. Every woman, every lady, every girl needs a panty liner every day in your panties, because sometimes we don't wear cotton panties and this attracts bacteria and we get infections a lot. So whenever you wear this lace panties and stuff, you need to put a panty liner so that the palace can be able to breathe freely to avoid infections. Okay, this is a panty liner I got for about €1 or €2. It's very cheap. All the stuff I've mentioned are very cheap. They are all under €5. This is like €2. This is like €1. I think this is like €3. The always is like almost €2. They are all under €5, $5. They are all under €5 or $5. Just invest in any of this stuff, and your period and your Holy Mary will thank you in peace, and you will thank me later. Okay, just use the tampon and the pad and thank me later. You will never soil your dress again. You will never feel uncomfortable. Even sometimes in my period, when I insert a tampon, I don't even wear panty. No, I just put this and I'm good to go. No, I don't go out without a panty, but when I'm home, sometimes I don't need a panty, because every 30 minutes I just squat to check if the rope, if the this side is bloody. Then I know that, oh, my girl is full and I need to change her. Okay, so I even heard people go to swim with a tampon. I've never tried that, but maybe. So thank you for staying with me throughout this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.